The next step of evolution of mankind was the Neanderthal man. Let us see the feature of Neanderthal man. He was physically big and strong. His brain was more developed than that of Homo erectus. They used big pebbles as well as bones for making weapons. Flakes were used to scrape meat from the hide of dead animals. Flakes means a small, flat, thin piece of something. They used leather clothing and ate roasted meat. They learnt the art of making fire by rubbing hard wood against each other or striking flintstone on each other. They produced fire. This species mostly lived in caves. Neanderthal man can be considered as the first example of wise man. The Neanderthals communicated with each other by producing grunts and some sounds. Grunts means low ranking or little guttural sound. After the death of any group member, they buried tools, horns along with dead body. Over a period of time, Neanderthals migrated from Africa to Europe and Asia. According to need, they modified and improved their tools. The improvement in tools took place over thousands of years. Homo sapiens. The next step after Neanderthal was Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means intellectual or intelligent man. It is said that the Neanderthals became extinct about 30,000 years ago. In Europe, Homo sapiens is known as Cro-Magnon man. The scientists have been found remains of this Homo sapiens in the continent of Europe, Asia and Africa. The most important features of Homo sapiens are as follows. The stage having a fully developed larynx which was making sound. Well-developed jaws and muscles of mouth and tongue was flexible so that they produce various sounds. By imagination, he could give name the things and try to put in words. These Homo sapiens could speak and communicated through language. By observation and imagination, he could draw pictures on the wall. He has been named Homo sapiens means intelligent or thinking man. Now next stage of evolution of mankind is Homo sapiens sapiens. These Homo sapiens sapiens were more developed. At this stage, the capacity of thinking, grasping power were developed. We are Homo sapiens sapiens. Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens are both our ancestors. We have inherited some traits by our ancestors. Now, what is meant by heredity? The appearance and health characteristics of human beings indicate their similarities to their ancestors. This is known as heredity. Around 11,000 to 10,000 BC, they developed the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals, domesticating animals. Homo sapiens sapiens began to live settled life, improved technique of cultivation, grew food grains and changed their lifestyle and diet. There were many changes in their body and face. They used intellectual power than physical power. They were working for food and shelter. The earliest human ancestors were capable of using fire, hunting, gathering in coordinated groups, caring for injured or sick group members, and possibly art making.